good for you guys. So this is to help you cheat a little bit. Or not cheat, but to actually make sure you're doing good if you're going to answer a question with solver table like we just did. You know, if the question was, when does the savings change? When did the savings change? Well, we ran the solver table, and at a certain unit production, right, the savings moved from 750 for every 10 units to 725. So savings suddenly changed at a certain point at a capacity. So I'm going to just say, okay, I'm going to say, okay, I want to see that. And now I get a sensitivity report to the left. I click that, I get all this stuff. All right? Now, let me go back again. Whoops, sorry. So what was it that I was looking at? I was looking at, what's it? M13? Okay. So now, if I go to the sensitivity report, down here, let me make this bigger. Where is it? Were we doing B? We were doing B. Is that K13?
It's the K, is the one next
Oh, K13, yeah. Right. So, yeah, so, of course, it's not about the constraint, it's about the decision. So, K13. Notice there's something interesting here. Look at this. Okay. Currently, when you did the original with the constraint is 800, so the right-hand side is 800. You ended up with a solution of shipping all 800. But what it also gives you is what we call the shadow price. And the shadow price is minus 75. So what that's telling us is that if you could increase the right-hand side constraint of 800 to 801, what happens to your overall objective function? It drops by 75. That's what we decided, right? Did we not say that? Because we were doing solver table by every 10. So if I increase the right-hand side from 800 to 810, we saw the cost go down by $750. That means if I increase the capacity of plant B by 1, I decrease by 75, right? 750 divided by 10. So it's 75 bucks, or $75 savings every time I increase the capacity of the right-hand side. Up until we increase by 135. So it tells us that this increase of 135 that says you can do it up until it's at 800. If you increase it up to 935, right, you will save what? 135 times 75 here. $75. Let me go back to, we started 800. We got down, see, 930 is still 750. 940 went to 725. So basically, I now know for a fact it actually is between here. It's at 935. From between 935 and 936, that's when it changes. Everything from 935 below, I save the average of $75 for every unit capacity increase. Okay, what's the big point of that? If I did the sensitivity, I already know what to expect when I do the solver table. If I do that sensitivity, I look at that, I already see that. Now, you don't have to worry about it. If you did the solver table correctly, and we ask you to just look at the change, how much savings, and then say, when does it shift, you will still answer it correctly. But if you actually set it up wrong, maybe, at least the sensitivity report can also give you some clues as to what you should expect. Okay. I think I lost some people, but I'll go over it in the review if you have some questions about that. Okay, let's